uli to the stage. Quickly, expeditiously. Okay, so they're gonna use the uli uli, which is my favorite, and then they're going to continue to honor Hawaii with the ipu, and then they're gonna go back down, and they're gonna pick up the pu'ili. They're gonna go to Puna, and then they go back down. They're gonna pick up the uli uli, and end. And whatever happens in between, we're gonna pule real quick and make sure that it works out. This was a mele was taught to me years ago. It's called Haleakala Hula by Auntie Mako and Auntie Flo. And so this is kind of our Hawaii version of that. So here we go.
Good luck.
Good luck. Yes. God bless. Yeah. So far, so good.
Hui kapua o ka lehua la o kou wehi mau ia
Ona puna.
Ona puna ke ono ka halala o vele kuia me ka maile la he aloha no pana vai Ona puna ke alau ka halala Really pui and make a maile la Hey, I love no hana eva I know Haina ina na kapuna Kola na oina punina mokla En Hawaii Haina ia mai na sapua na la Kola na oia punina mokla Hana no Hawaii